Good morning. Welcome guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome chat. How you doing? How do you feel today? What a beautiful day out here for the Thursday times. Good evening for some of you. Hey, let's go guys. Let's get into as quickly as possible some decent opportunities here on the whole downtrend for the Nasdaq. Let's go. Like and share. Let's just go ahead and share this with the community members. We're live. We are live, so we can go ahead and share this with the community members. Pretty much all the trading groups. Hope you have a beautiful time. Shouldn't be any problem with the audio. Good morning. Thank you guys for joining. We are ready to look into the markets and discover the possibilities here for this staircase. Looking forward to discovering what we can do in this market conditions. Hourly just went below the 200 EMA. Looks like a temporary downtrend here. Morning. Welcome guys. Welcome. Thank you. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, join our Discord. Get ready for everything.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going basically for
order filled.
$150 secured right now. $150 secured in the trade. I'm looking for collecting my points, guys. Very important.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. Come on, just a little more. Just a little more. Keep going.
Order filled.
And there you go, $525. We have collected our point. This is point number 8. Celebration time. Look at that, guys. That's just massive. Gentlemen, look at that. Point number 8 has been collected. That's the way to go. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Let's go. $8 points collected, $5,800. 2 more points needed. We got 5,800 in our balance. 2 more points needed. We can actually have even 2 daily losses, which will be $3,000. There's still 2,700 there. Even if we've got 3 daily losses, then we're going to lose 4,500, remain with about 1,200. Plus the 1,000 we do, it's going to allow us to take $2,000 from each account. It's going to set us above. So I can digest 3 max daily losses right now and still get to the payout. Absolutely beautiful, guys. We just did it in the first 3 minutes of the live stream. 525 right there. Absolutely lovely. This unemployment news could be huge this morning. Indeed. Let me tell you, Enzo, we have more than 90%. That's what we had yesterday, the last time I was checking. More than 90% expectancies and targets for a rate cut. It's 90. Look at that. It's 90% expecting a rate cut by 28th of October in a month. We got final GDP and unemployment claims. Yeah. Correct. These are 5 accounts that we are connected, so we're copy trading. We have the leader +4. And it's been really productive, guys. Really productive. Look at that. I mean, like I said, even if we have 3 daily max losses, I still have resources to go for the payout. Hello, good morning. 8 points now on 2 of my Ticktick and 6 points on the other 5. Beautiful. So you're pretty close. We have 8 points right here as well on our 5 accounts. And these are the only ones we have. We have lost the other 5. But if we get the payout on this 5, it's going to be $10,000. And I'm going to have in my live balance 8,000. So only 2,000 more will be needed. And then I can get to be moved on live, which is going to be absolutely tremendous. Think about it. Beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Good. Moving on to my Ignite accounts on tap on futures. I'm gonna set up to trade the other 4 first. We're starting with this one's actually. Look at that. We only have a single loss here of $1,000. Forza Matteo. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. This is on tap on futures, our Ignite accounts that we bought at the launch time. So it looks pretty good. But we still have to perform here. We're gonna go for that $500 daily. As much as it's needed, right? Yeah. There's a lot to go about it on the upside. So we got the unemployment coming out in about 11 minutes. Big deal with that. Like and join Discord for a giveaway. Come on.
Order
I'm
filled.
giving a short a try here. Testing the waters. Looking for something around 608. I don't even need that much. $610, I'm fine. But I kind of smell 608 possibility. So I'm shorting it. And I'm going break even. Let's go, guys. Come on. Keep going. 2 more points needed down.
Order filled.
There you go. 511 targets have been touched on 4 accounts. Celebration time. Come on. Time to make some money, right? Time to hit the targets back and forth, and let's go for the fireworks bus. Boom. Ah, hey. Wow. So we have... Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Tremendous, right? Tremendous. This is where we are. Like, we made $3,000 here, and I'm still not able to go for the payout. And this is a 50k account. Because of the equity stability score. Because this is not consistency. If it would be consistency, I would be on the payout already. Let's just connect the other accounts. The other 2. We still have 2 more from the Ignite, because we bought 6, the maximum possible. Right, I think this is going above. Oops, I don't want to open up on this account.
Order
Out.
filled.
447. Unfortunately, we opened the trade on the wrong account, and we lost 50 bucks. I should have moved my account selection, right? We opened this trade alone on this account. We haven't copy traded on the 4. But I lost 50 bucks here. I should... Let me see if I can make it back here. Right? I don't know. Looks like it's going away. This is, you know... Looks like we're giving back on this account. Or maybe not.
Order filled.
No, we got the money back. 498. That's good. Told you about it long here. 498. Good. Let's just finally get to the accounts that we actually wanted to do. Good morning. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah. We got a profit here for the Ticktick trader. Quite quickly, in the first couple of minutes of the live stream, we made our point number 8 on the system. Keep in mind, Ticktick trader is giving right now maximum discount you can ever think about. It's just 65% plus 5% if you're using crypto or Skrill as a payment method. But even with 65%, you can get it at $245. If you're using crypto or Skrill to pay, you're going to pay somewhere around $210 per account. It's crazy. Here's the link for those of you that care about. Coupon code is, as usually, Scrambo. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Five minutes to go and we get the news. So I'm waiting a little bit. But we have pretty big volatility in the markets, considering it's pre-market opening, right? Like, we have pretty big volatility. This is why I haven't longed it here.
Order filled.
Let me test out a short.
Order filled.
The next red candle should give it to me, guys. Come on. Keep pushing. The next one needs to be a red candle. We're gonna hit a target over here as well if this is a red candle. I don't like what I see. Let's just wait a little more. We might face a major rejection here and the whole thing might get denied. Come on. Beautiful. There you go. There you go, guys. 535 profit over here as well. Target has been hit, gentlemen. That's what we call trading, right? That's the name of the game. Come on. We haven't chickened out. Absolutely amazing. Stunning. Boom. Let's go. We are printing today. So we have 5 Ticktick. We made money. And then 4 plus 2. That's 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 out of 11. Touch the target. 11 out of 11. Let's have a look into the stats for these 2 accounts. This is where we are. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, this is like a video game, right? Few seconds and we get the news. Actually 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see what's cooking out here for the final GDP, which I think it's going to be around the forecast. But the unemployment claims is the space where we could have some strange things. Yeah. Let me open up my quant tower and maybe do some trading right now. For Savius, because we traded Ticktick Trader, we traded Tap 1 Futures, everything, and now the Savius accounts remained. 10 seconds to go. Look at that. We got some volatility down, but there's not much about it. Market's shaking. BTC dipped and then pumped. Look at that. Results still 218 less than expected. Less than expected for the unemployment claims, and the final GDP is higher than expected. Higher than expected GDP? Actually, much higher than expected GDP. And then the unemployment claims is lower than expected, 218,000 than 233. Wow. That's pretty odd. Look at that, guys. 3.8% compared to 3.3%. Pretty strange, right? Looking into gold's reaction is dumping. You know, it's just the initial move. It doesn't matter that much right here. Certainly doesn't matter that much. Wow, look at the dollar, guys. We got a GDP pretty strongly. You don't have an inverse correlation with the dollar and the Nasdaq. Not for the moment. Wow. Watching Bitcoin, I care about the crypto space a lot. Ethereum as well. However, let's see if I can trade some quant tower, which is a Savius accounts. $10 minis long. We're being aggressive. 10 minis long. If this level holds, we're going to be fine with it. We might get subbed out from what I see here. Yeah. We got stopped out on that. Been a little too aggressive. No, I have to take it a lot slower. Been pumped up from the Ticktick Trader and Tap 1 Futures performance. I'm going to take it a little bit slower. And resume trading on that a little later. That's a huge one, guys, on the GDP. 3.8%. Look at that. Totally unexpectable. Yeah, it's still pumping, guys. Dollar is pumping. It went straight to 98.1. Straight to 98.1. If we look into a higher time frame, an even higher one, right? So I should get into the daily time frame and do some technical here with the dollar. Weekly. Weekly shows a clear temporary support right here, especially with today reactions. It's really valuable. There is a day and 11 hours for the closing. But in order for the dollar to have way more strength, it has to close above the 100s. That's the significant psychological barrier that's going to keep it down big time, right? So get above 100 and you have the ability to deal with this level, right? With this one. You have the ability to deal with that. We can start speaking about it once you clear your 100s. Clearing 100 in a way of finding confirmation above and strength above. It's not just breaking out and then coming back and then... Right? So in that manner. So whatever happens here, whatever green candlesticks we get, nothing is confirmed with a high probability without clearing the 100s and finding confirmation above. Confirmation means clearly to still have this level supporting you after you retrace from a higher level. So essentially you have to go higher than the hundreds, get back to this 100s, and clearly show us the sign of conversion, that we're not going below. Like a form of a higher low above 100s. That's going to give you a possibility for a retest of the resistance line. You know, I also care about the monthly, guys. Let me share with you the monthly. Wow, look at a Nasdaq monthly. We have an exponential growth. Yeah, so good or bad for the rate cuts? Depends what does the market fears. Does it fears inflation or is it fearing unemployment? We have to leave these details to unfold and see the reaction coming from the market, not just about today, which is still considered an initial reaction, and initial reactions are not sustainable or they don't have a high level of credibility. Tap 1 doesn't give services for Turkey. Negotiating with Ticktick Trader, Prime Funded, Vortex. You want to see a lot cheaper accounts on Straight to Funded Plus for the Ticktick Trader. Straight to Funded Plus gives you really cheap accounts on 100,000, the big account right there. I suggest you that. Yeah. You know, if you do the conversion from the US dollar, it's definitely expensive. I think Nasdaq priced in from the way we have been behaving in the past 24 hours. I think Nasdaq have been pricing in, which is why there's not much price action going down, even though you got the dollar pumping, right? The dollar is pumping and the Nasdaq is not really reacting with consequences. It's more likely on the gold side. But it's interesting because the cryptos are... I have not sold my Ethereum. No, I'm not selling my Ethereum, guys. We are... Let me share with you some... Look at that. We're retesting previous triple top. Like, this is not bearish, right? Look at that. This is a weekly candle. Let me just take out those lines. So have a look into this chart, guys. This is the all-time high. We went very, very close to the all-time high. We actually broke the all-time high with a couple of dollars, but that doesn't matter. What matters is we went to the all-time high and then retested a triple top structure. Back in the day was supply and now it's demand, right? So think about that one. And this is not bearish. Let me do some trading on Quantile right now. Four contracts long, 4 minis long. Yeah, double top from the all-time high. Correct. Yeah, we're standing still on Nasdaq because of the pricing in condition of the past 24 hours. Yeah, Ticktick Trader is extremely good. Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining. Make sure to like the video. Let's bring up those numbers. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. We got some lovely stuff going on. But thank you, by the way, guys. Come on. It's a good trade, right? 4 minis. We're halfway through the profit here. I think this is going higher, to be honest with you. Which is why I added a little more to this. Another contract there. We have 7 contracts right now. Let's see. Wow. That was a total denier. I mean, I would have not expected a total denier on that previous candle, guys. Should have exited there. Yeah. Exactly. $500 a day for the Ticktick Trader Shade to Funded Plus if you're trading the 100K. If you're trading the 50K, just $250. No. Pretty bad. All the green candlesticks have a pretty strong wick to the upside. Not looking too good. Of DC8, we have 13 minis long. Of DC8 into this, we have 13 minis long. We should see at least three green candles. And that should actually get really close to my target, or at least allow me to go break even on. Come on, the third green candle. Nah. What the hell is going on here? I just sold it all. I just flattened my position. We took the daily loss. That's the daily loss we have. Oh my god. Let me trade a little bit slower. I still think this is a good long opportunity. Well, let me just get this one a little bit slower, guys. Yeah. Nasdaq is not looking the best right now, honestly. Just cascading, like, you know, watching the 15-minute is... Look at that. We had some support in the 600s that we lost with the GDP and unemployment. So that stuff around the 600s, we lost it. And that's where I made my money on the Ticktick Trader and Tap on futures. I made my money with a 600s pump here. I mean, it wasn't a pump, it was just a little bounce. That's where we made the money. I've been taking it pretty hard on Savius. I'm gonna slow down there. I'm gonna deal with lower contracts for the upcoming trades that I'm about to do. So it's a knife catching trade. It's a knife catching situation. On both accounts, we're just $500 down that I lost today on Savius. 500 and 400 from the original balance. And I'm about to trade right now the one we lost yesterday. It's sliding. Uncontrollable. This is sliding non-stop. But there's gonna be, look at that. There's gonna be some mad reactions. We have 2 giveaways scheduled today, guys. Make sure for those of you joining to stay live. 2 giveaways. If it comes back around the 60s, I'm gonna long this. Here, I'm setting a buy limit on the 60s. 2 contracts, not much, right? That has been triggered. Beautiful. Adding 2 more on a market order. And 2 more here. So we're sitting on 6 right now. $560s. Are we capable of holding through? You made it. Locked your payout and waiting for minimum trading days. Beautiful. Beautiful, Abu. Congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. You did 2 giveaway accounts. You see, guys, from giveaway accounts reaching to payout. So I'm assuming you're on tap on futures. Adding 2 more to this. It's very rarely to dump the whole day. Great job. Taking a giveaway account to payout is really good, guys. Is really good, guys. Certainly a great feeling. Nah. What on earth is going on here? Let's see. If this candle gets denied, I'm gonna be out. I sold actually 2 contracts. 2 more. Oh my God, look at that. I actually sold half of my size right before this dump. Has to go up a little bit, right? But that's something we could always say, and we could have said that for the past couple of hours. After so much bleeding, it has to. You know, Nasdaq, when it starts pumping, we could apply the same theory. At some point, it has to dump. If you go into the weekly candlesticks of Nasdaq, you'll see it's not functioning. You know, have a look into the weekly RSI for Nasdaq, for gold. Take a look at the gold weekly RSI or daily RSI, and you see how extremely overbought it is already for a while, and how much money people lost by shorting gold. Adding more here. Yeah, I think we could get a temporary action. I mean, I'm happy basically to have 3-4 points above my entry, and I'm selling partially, guys, you know. This is a knife catching here, even in 1 minute. I sold 2 contracts, 2 more, right? So we brought the account in profit. We have 3 minis open. And we have a daily net P&L of 69 bucks, so we've eliminated the loss. Come on. We can nicely get above 80s in the next 5-minute candle. I just sold another contract. One more. So we're sitting on a 1 contract position. We have actually secured $483. And I'm letting this one run. Yep. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video and get ready for the giveaway. 10 mini longs. It's not bad. You want to make a few thousands. We got to our targets on Ticktick Trader, extremely important. We are so close to the path there. We have 8 points, guys. Look at that. 8 points on my Ticktick Trader. And $5,800 in the balance. With a max daily loss at 1,500. 2 more points needed. If I get tomorrow another point, then we're going to be in a very advantageous position. I actually think even right now we're in a really, really advantageous position. Let's see, guys. It's looking pretty smooth so far. Pretty smooth so far. We got a stop loss and break even. Some accounts are received, some accounts are purchased. More purchased than received. $24,600. Wouldn't be bad, guys. And I'm letting this one run for a while. I think it has so much room. Hopefully we cross the 70s. That's where we got stuck for the last couple of minutes, and we extend into 83, 84. Thank you guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We've got 2 giveaways. And there's 30 minutes to go for the US opening. Come on. If we get stopped out on break even, I'm going to search to re-enter around 50s. Right, so that's about 6 points lower than I got into my trade. It's worth it. We have a good chance for this level to have a temporary support closer to 600, so personally I'm gonna re-long this. By the way, for those of you that haven't watched the video that I posted, no, we got subbed out on break even. What about right now? I think it should be fine. Maybe now should be fine. Yes. This is the place I wanted to get back, around 50s. Look at that. It went to the 50s. It went into 49. I should have longed it. Thank you. So we made 500 bucks on the previous trade. That's a link I sent you guys with a $500,000 giveaway. I posted about it on my channel. Through Savius. They are the ones organizing. And you guys have an ability to win. Watch that video to find out more. Yeah. Better skip the day. Better set on side. I've added more to my trade here. We might get a triple 1 minute defense. And we might be able to fight through the trenches. Come on. We can quickly take this one above 75. No surprise. Trading with the thinking about there is no way this could actually slide further is pretty much the same thing I told you. Have a look into gold chart daily candles. And how many times you could have said there's no way this is gonna keep grinding. Right? So it's just melting up non-stop. And with the thinking of there is no way this thing could actually do that, that's where the market makers, big players are making money, because that's the time liquidations are appearing. Liquidations are not appearing in predictable conditions, right? So markets gotta go in these extreme conditions for the liquidity actually to be moved. The big liquidity is moved in these extreme conditions, guys. Which is why none of the bull markets end in the way the altcoin market is right now for the crypto space. Because that extreme condition is needed. Where people go like, there is no way this is going to keep grinding, keep melting up, and so on. It's going higher and higher. At some point, it's coming down 90%, of course. But it has wiped out all the shorts, and then it wipes out all the longs from the futures market. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video. I sold a contract here. And another one. And I'm putting the stop loss on break even. We have actually secured another 230 bucks. Look at that. We have 734. That's good, guys. I'm going to celebrate. You know what? I'm going to celebrate. 734 from a different model of trading. You see what I'm doing right now here is different than what I usually do. Boom. What I'm doing here right now on my Savius accounts is a little bit different than what I usually do and perform. 5-minute is not bullish, guys. I'm sorry. 5-minute is not bullish. Hourly is not bullish. 15-minute is not bullish. Depends how this candlestick's close, but it looks pretty bad. Dollar is still holding the line here. I'm curious to see if it's capable of holding the line after the New York opening. That's the major signal about it. You got the GDP coming out so high. The economy is resilient. Let's see if we have any input on the Fed Watch tool. Do we have any modification on that with the latest numbers, or it's pretty much too early? %, so it changed another 9%, guys. The possibility for another rate cut. It's 81 right now. Right before the news, we were sitting on 89. And early this week, we were sitting around 94. 94. Now it's 81. You know, it's going to be very challenging, and this is going around the 60s, 50s range. Very challenging. That's going to be when, you know, we might see some crazy movements in the market. One way or the other. If this is going to an unpredictable level. Because right now, at the 80s, 90s, is very likely how things are going to look like. Market starts pricing in. Yeah, let's see what's happening here. I got in a quick short here. Let me test out 2 minis. Not much. We might be bleeding here for the upcoming. You know, I'm just going for a couple of points. Look at that. About $200 profit. Mm. Adding one more to this. I've DCA'd. We're sitting on 3 minutes right now. One more. My stop loss is going to be on the profit we have, so another one. We're sitting on 5 right now. I don't like this. This is not cool. I've DCA'd. We have DCA'd and right now exited at break even. And now I'm fully out. 689. So we have lost about 30-40 bucks. We have DCA'd in that candle high. Hey, pretty good. Ticktick trader hit the target. Let me share with you where we are sitting today, guys. So we started with Ticktick trader. We got point number 8. We hit our target. Like the video in the meantime. We got point number 8. 2 more points needed. We have back-to-back winnings the entire week. We're copy trading on 5 accounts. So the payout here is going to be $10,000. We only need 2 more days of 500. And then the same thing happened on the Ignite accounts. On all the 6 we have, we made our target of 500. So we have profit on Ticktick and Ignite on Tap 1 futures. Pretty good. Savius did not went too well. The first 2 ones I traded, I've been extremely aggressive, pretty much wild, in 10-15 minutes. Just, you know, that was crazy by me. And now with this ones that we actually started to trade seriously, it's 689 profit. So I'm happy in the way we're sitting. I'm gonna long this one. I should have longed it earlier on that wick. I think this is going... We have a good chance of at least getting into the 67, 60, you know, 8, 9. I think we have a good chance for that. Thank you. That was a beautiful 1 minute candle we had. I'm adding more to this. I think that should give us an additional 1 strong minute candle or 2 more. Let's see. Which could actually fly us into the 66, 67. Not a big deal from here, guys. I don't want to get rejected here on the 60s. We have a small engulfing on the 5 minute. Looks good. 5 minute is engulfing. I sold 2 contracts right now. In little profit, but actually, you know, I had to. Markets might come back into 48, 49. "14 minutes to go and the market opens." Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. We got 2 giveaways scheduled for today. And we had great profits pretty much hitting the board on Ticktick Trader Top 1 futures. And now we're trading the Savius accounts. Adding more to this, obviously, I think this is going higher. We're back on 4 contracts. We should actually retest that 70s. We're setting a limit order there. Another limit order here. Another limit order there. So we have set 3 limit orders. Watch that, guys. Come on. Give me the first one. Has been achieved. Has been touched, right? First one has been touched. I'm actually moving this one a little bit into the current candle. And a stop loss on break even. We're playing it safe. We have 895 profit. We have secured another one. We have 1,040 total profit. And we're going for the last target. And that one has been touched as well. It wasn't actually the last target. We still have 1 contract left. We have 1,292. We have 1 contract left. I'm letting this one run. Putting the trailing right below. I'm having this one run, guys. Let's do some celebration in the meantime. Come on, LFG, come on. Let's go. I love this fireworks. Let me share with you what's happening on the 5-minute candlesticks. 15-minute looks beautiful with a strong double candlestick engulfing. Come on. This has power, strength for another 15-minute continuation into the 600s, gentlemen. It's lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to print. 79. Let me see what's happening on my quant tower. It's already out of the screen. We have $500 here with a minute. Ciao tutti. Ciao tutti. We are running. Let's make some more money. $5.85. Keep going. Do not disappoint me. I'm not exiting, guys. Not for the moment, but I will certainly exit at some point. Yeah, I spend a lot of the time in Italy in Capri and Anacapri. That's where we go on vacation. Caesar Augustus. Cesare. As a hotel, that's the name it's called. 2,000 half off. You're good to go, buddy. Hey, good morning. Beautiful. On the island of Italian emperors. Yeah, I go there for a few years. I always enjoy that. They know me. So it's lovely. It's beautiful. Capri and Anacapri. Yeah. Limoncello. Let's go. Come on. Keep pushing, guys. Bet you guys appreciate it for being with me. We're having a great time, relaxing, enjoying. We've got 2 giveaways. We are also trading nicely. So, feeling good about it. Especially with the 8 points on Ticktick. I want to get to live with that one. We have to collect all the 10 points. And then a little more. Because we're going to have $8,000 in the live wallet. In the live wallet. The threshold is going to be... Yeah, this is 150k Savius accounts I'm trading on. You guys can see the Savius accounts here. These are exclusively for our community, right? So you cannot find them publicly, right? These are the accounts that I'm trading. Here you have the link, sign up, and you will see the accounts in your dashboard. Now, you have 60% off with a coupon code SCRAMBLE. These are not the real prices you care about. 60% off. Which means $256 for the 150k. 256. How much does it pay? It pays 2,700 on the payout. Payout is at 5% target. Make 5%, respect 20% consistency, and take out 10 times more than you paid. You can basically trade 3 accounts per user. That's 2,700 times 3. $8,100. 256 times 3. 768. You pay 768 for something you can cash out 8,000 plus. It's not a bad business. You got so much room there. Well, the last video I made, and even there is a video on my channel, it's about this. They're also running a giveaway, guys. So, it's a pretty good deal. What's happening here? I don't want to be... Oh, that looks great, right? That looks great. This are the 150k accounts, very cheap, 256. But one element you got to keep in mind, do not forget about it. The daily loss limit is a hard breach. Don't touch that. So how can you avoid it? Set a stop loss before, and then it's like it doesn't exist, right? Right? So daily loss limit can only hurt you if you don't set a stop loss before, which would be totally mad not to do it. Yeah, that was Savius, the exclusive offers we have for our community. Consistency 20%, correct. It dropped about 17 points, but looks like... I'm leaving this trade open, guys. Let's see if we can do 100 points, or even more today. I'm not rushing anywhere. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Market opens in 3 minutes. Thank you, guys. Yeah, $256 for 150k if you have signed up from our link and using our code. Yes. Nvidia is going through some difficulties. A couple of days ago, we have seen some announcements how China is aiming to fight back the competition, the big competition. Nvidia is actually, it's leading right now. Are we about to touch that break even? I don't want to touch that. Let me just move it way more closer. Like, oh, beautiful buyback. Beautiful buyback. Right, so I think Nvidia is going to get some real competition going on from the Chinese entrepreneurship. I think there's going to be some turbulences, some difficulties at the real stage. Nice discount, correct. The drawdown is intraday. Intraday, and the daily loss limit is hard breach. So you want to set a stop loss, and then it doesn't matter, it's a hard breach, right? Set a stop loss before. If your hard breach is at 2,000, set a stop loss at 1,700. You're making sure you're not touching your hard breach. And then it doesn't matter, basically, it's a hard breach. You always set a stop loss on each trade. The max loss you should have in a day is 1,700 on a 2,000 breach. Yeah, they are aiming towards raising the competition level, and it's not going to be too easy for Nvidia. So I believe things will actually change. The space and the market is going to be a little more challenging out there. Intraday sucks, but it's intraday unrealized. Look at it, it's not moving, right? You can see right now I have a trade going on. You can see my balance and the account activity on the right side. I have a trade going on. But the stop drawdown balance, which is the max loss, is not moving. Right? So it's not on live trading, it's on realized and unrealized. Look at that. We just had the opening, guys. I'm shorting this. I'm out. We made some money. Keep going. And now I'm longing it. As soon as we took the low, I'm longing it. Three contracts long. Let's see if we can hold this level. Bring it all the way back into 80s. Come on. Back into the 70s, 80s. I think a lot of the people added longs here right below. Added one more contract. I'm 4 minis on the opening, guys. I'm pushing to make a lot more. Come on. 5 minis, added one more. Why is it so weak? Good morning. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. It's sitting around this level a little bit too much. I sold 2 contracts. Sold right before the market's dumping. Beautiful. We swept the low here on this 1 minute 3 times. Come on. We swept the low and we reacted. I think we could see a little bit more from here. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We're having the giveaway soon. I think it's going right now. Come on. I sold 2 contracts. Why is it so weak? We're left with a single contract. And I set a break even for that right now. Beautiful, guys. I put the break even. I sold on the other candle. Beautiful. I'm going to test out a short here, an aggressive short. Let's see. Are we just swiping? I'm pretty aggressive, right? Let's see, guys. Come on. Keep going, buddy. This might just get slaughtered. Look at that. This might just get slaughtered. There's a lot of the people expecting markets reversing and they're knocking them out. Come on. Keep dumping, buddy. Beautiful. I'm securing 2 minis. We're left with 3. Setting the stop loss on break even, securing 2 more. We're left with 1. Setting the stop loss on break in with this one as well. That's not bad, guys. We made some good money with that. Come on, I still have an open. I bet this dumping we had here has surprised a lot of the people. I'm actually out here at the 500. Beautiful, $3,200 we made today. Look at that, we just crossed the 500 as well. Where is this gonna stop, guys? Fireworks incoming, there you go. Let's put out some fireworks. Oh, celebration time. So you got into the trade. I don't know if we have sufficient power here. Let's see how much money we can do, guys. Let me trade a little more here. Long is incoming, the only question is when. We might get something right now, let's see. Let's see, I got into 5 contracts, 5 minis. Let's see if we get something. 7 minis. I gotta be careful with the longs. You see how the selling pressure is constantly suppressing. It's not an easy business, guys. We're pretty much 10-15 points above the low made here. That's where my entry is located. That's not very exciting, right? If this is, you know, going nuts. Added more here. We're sitting on 9 minis. No. Is this level going to hold or we're dying further? We broke below once again, right? Nah, we got stopped out. Nope. This is a total death of the market. Look at that. Look at this 15-minute total death. Yeah. It's 2,400 down today. Yeah, it's over with this account. We had $3,200 made on this, and the consistency limit was at 1,500. So we had $1,700 more than the consistency. I said there is no problem if I lose that, I'm still gonna be in the consistency range, but then I totally upscaled with the value. And it actually put me into an uncontrollable situation. Overexposed. So the straight to funded plus, it is 10 minis, yes, or 10 micros. Exactly, there you go. 10 minis or 10 micros for the Ticktick Trader Buddy. Wow, look at this. Non-stop, guys. Total correction, everything. The only thing that is keeping up is the dollar. If we look into the 4-hour candlesticks, then you know. $300 points in the last 4 hours. Yeah. I should have lost 1,000, what was that? I should have lost, like 1,700 instead of everything, right? I should have lost 1,700 and that's it, right? That would have been all. It's still dumping. Minimum 10 seconds for the tap on futures. We have 2 giveaways, guys. We're ready to fly with the giveaways. We're ready to fly, everyone. 420s, look at that. We're dumping big time. Beautiful since we opening what we got out here. Beautiful. So, yeah, we're fine. Not an issue. At the time I press any button, guys, of, you know, increasing my sizes, downgrading my positions and so on, I'm perfectly familiar with the risk existing, with the numbers existing, with everything involved, certainly, right? So, how to enter the giveaway? Like the video. Everyone, you gotta like the video. Number 2, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. The third thing you gotta do is, of course, you got to join my Discord. Join Discord. That's the third thing you got to do. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. These are the conditions to participate in the giveaway. This giveaway is going to be 25k TOF, 25,000 top 1 futures, end of the day instant funding. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. And do not guess from multiple accounts. You're going to get banned. Let's go. Start. Let me know your numbers. Good luck, chat. Come on. Let's go. Between 0 and 5, of course, you got to guess the number. It's pretty simple, right? And of course, you have to write between the starting command and the end. Good luck, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Pretty much clear. I am satisfied for today. We got point number 8 for the Ticktick trader. And we're close to a $10,000 payout there. Today we lost an account of 256 bucks. But we got close to a $10,000 payout. So on the accounts that I'm more focused and it matters a little more, I'm different. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. This is the first giveaway. We actually have 2 giveaways. You want to stay with us, guys. We got 2 giveaways. Let's shuffle a few times and we're good to go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. $30-40 points pump already on the Nasdaq. There you go. And this is what I've been hunting earlier. We have that red number 5. What do you guys think about that red number 5? Look at that. Red number 5. Look at that. And here you go. We got the number 5. Let's take it to the duck race. In the meantime, beautiful pump from Nasdaq. 50 points. Quick movement in 5 minutes. You picked that one. Number 5. Oh, 47 winners. Oh my god, a lot of the people picked this. 47 winners, like the majority of the majority. 2 minutes. No, let's put it that way. 2 minutes. You're going to compete 2 minutes, guys. You're going to compete 2 minutes. This is no joke. $25,000. Obviously, you're going to run 2 minutes for that. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. 2 minutes. Keep swimming. Come on. Look at that. Sitting on the 500 Nasdaq. Look at that. 75 points. And I've just requested earlier a couple of points that were not given. Wow. 47 winners? That's crazy. First giveaway, this one. There's gonna be one more. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Where is your duck, smart trader? Yes, correct. They allow contract value on 10 minis or 10 micros, yes. But the values of the contracts are not the same. So 10 minis is not equal. No. It's different. That stands for the NQ, MNQ contract size. Keep going. So 1.10 seconds out here. We're going to talk about that soon, Quantum. And there you go. Randy. Congratulations. Hey, Randy Rana. We're going to talk about that. Let me do the math, Quantum. I haven't checked that actually. 519, 520. Look at that. Crazy Nasdaq pump. Have a look into this, guys. 100 points delivered already. 100 points delivered. Let's get to the second. Let's get to the second giveaway. Congratulations for the winners. The second giveaway is $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. Right, so wait, guys, wait. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, especially for those of you that have joined late. You gotta do it quickly, let me give you time. Wait. Do not start yet. Right, so let's just remember, guys, one Nasdaq point is 20 bucks, right? One contract, 20 bucks. One contract of micro is $2. So then obviously 10 is kind of equal with 100. 10 minis is equal with 100 micros. Am I right with that one? I think so. I think so. $200 a point on each side. 200 bucks per point. Yeah, so 10 minis equal with 100 micros. Beautiful. You're not allowed to trade them simultaneously. That's what they're referring to. You cannot trade minis and micros as well. Right? So you're not allowed to trade them simultaneously. You're not allowed to trade minis and micros at the same time. Wait, guys. Let's go. Let me know your numbers. Good luck, chat. Start. Good luck, guys. Let's go for the second giveaway. $50,000 straight to funded plus. Come on. Take it to the moon. Take it to the moon. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We had a good day at trading. Like, you know, at the places that I was focusing and not playing games and 9 minis. After the opening, we were good. Stop. No more guesses. It's over. That's it, guys. No more guesses. It's over. If you were guessing after, you're not going to be in the list. Beautiful. We're going to shuffle this a few times. Once, twice, third, fourth, fifth. And now we're good to fly. This is a 50 grand Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. One of our Abu, the one that won back-to-back, he actually got to the payout. He told us today, right? So from a giveaway account, he got to the payout. That's absolutely beautiful, guys. What is it gonna be? We got that red number 4. What do you guys think about that red number 4? That one that comes up quite soon after this one. There you go. I think we're going to stop there. I think this is going to be a red number 4. Let me press the stop pedal under my desk, and here we go. Number 4. We got the number 4. Congratulations for the winners. Let's see how popular is this number. We got 47 on the first giveaway. And we have 31 right now. Competing for 2 minutes once again. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, you made it again on the list. Let's go, guys. Come on. Duck for dinner. Keep going. $50 seconds to go. Cheers everyone for the Ticktick Trader 50k account. Here we got it. This is the cup. By the way, maximum discount pretty much everywhere right now. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBO at Ticktick. Tap on futures. We have that huge giveaway for the Savius. Don't forget to join our Discord. Let's go. Who's on the list here? 10 seconds. Who's gonna make it from behind? I don't think the ones amongst the top will do it. ICT macro time. Looking forward to it. You're stepping forward, boy. Here we go. We got you. ICT macro time. We got you on the list. Congratulations for the winners. There you go, guys. Beautiful. That was a big one, guys. Congratulations once again. What a beautiful and highly satisfaction day. Dark Park. Pretty close. Pretty close. Not in the top 10. Let's see your ranking. You were ranked 15th. And Oliver, you are on the 30. Pretty close, but to the opposite direction, right? If we count reversed. Thank you, guys. Sure. Wish you a great day on your trading. Careful with the numbers. You saw what happens. You saw me right there on Savius. You don't want to be on my suit right now. You don't want to be in my shoes with that one, of course. We're going to take it forward to the next level. Looking forward with our Ticktick. We got 8 points. We're going to take that to 10 points. We're going to take that to $10,000 payout because we're copy trading on 5 accounts. Looking forward our next meeting tomorrow, Friday. Have a lovely day. Peace. Careful.